Hi viewers, I'm Savitha Mary, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. In this video, I'm going to explain about the problem of backward difference. Backward difference, uh, the difference is y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1 and so on yn minus yn minus 1 were denoted by del y1. So this is the backward differences, and see the table, backward difference table. In the likewise the forward difference, you can subtract the values y1 minus y0 and y2 minus y1, y3 minus y3. Reverse subtraction. Likewise forward difference. What is the difference between the forward and backward differences is, we can select the value of for the forward difference table. In the topmost values y0, del y0, del squared y0 and so on. In this backward difference table, we have selected the bottom values, which is x0 plus 5h, which is that the bottom value, the most bottom value x5, y5, del y5, del squared y5 and so on. So we are going to select these values only for this backward difference table. Okay, and now and see the formula. This is the formula of Newton's backward difference formula. Likewise the forward difference, we have to calculate the value p by the method x minus xn divided by h. Already I told you h is the differences of the x value, the common differences of the x value, and x is the value which is given in the question. We are going to find the interpolation, which is 1925 is the value of x, and xn is the bottom value, that is the last final value of x in the tabular value. So 1931 is xn value. Okay, now I'm going to solve the problem. See, these are the given values, x values 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921 and 1931. The common differences is nothing but h. So the common differences of x value is 10. So each and every value, the first and second table value, the common difference is 10, and second and third value difference is 10, third and fourth value differences is 10, so that the value of h is 10. Okay, and already I told you x equal to 1925, and the value p is calculated by the formula x minus x0 divided by h. So 1925 minus 1931 divided by 10 is equal to minus 0.6, which is calculated by the values x minus xn divided by h. And the formula here, the four tabulated values x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. So we have to find fourth differences, fourth forward differences. So we can write the formula till the fourth difference. Okay, so the formula is that yn p del yn p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial del squared yn. Here we can see the differences of the first forward differences and the backward differences. In the forward difference, we have mentioned the value del y0. So here del yn, that is the nth value. Here the nth value is y4. So del, see there, del squared yn, del cube yn, del 4 yn. Okay, and now the differences, forward difference table is here. Forward difference table, x value which is given in the question, y values are there. These two values are in the question table here. we are going to find the first difference. First difference is calculated by 66 minus 46. So 66 minus 46 is 20, and 81 minus 66 is 15. 93 minus 81 is 12, and 101 minus 93 is 8. So these are the column del y, that is the first differences. And similarly, second difference is calculated by subtracting the two values, reverse subtraction. 15 minus 20. So here the maximum value having negative sign. So 15 minus 20 is minus 5. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Okay, again the next differences, third differences is calculated by subtracting minus 4 minus of minus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 we get minus 1. Next minus 3 minus of minus 5. So minus 3 plus 5. So the answer is 2. And then the last final difference is minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 minus 2. So both negative values. So that minus 3, adding that value, we have minus 3 is the final value. And this is a backward difference problem. So we have to choose the nth value. So the nth value is nothing but y4. So y4 is 101, and del y4, del squared by 4, del cube by 4, and del part 4 by 4. These are the values I have mentioned by the arrow. 101, 8, minus 4, minus 1, 3. These are the values we have selected to apply the formula. See here, I have applied the values in the formula. 101 is del y0 value, and del y0 value is 8. And here the values of p plus 1, and so on, which are the things were calculated by the formula. So we can apply the values in the formula. P minus 0.6, and here we have to use minus 0.6 plus 1, minus 0.6 plus 1, minus 0.6 plus 2, and these things were calculated here. Okay. So after completing the calculation, we have the answer 96.8368. So the answer is 93.8368. The interpolation missing value is 93 point something. Now see in the table 19, we are calculate the value 1925. So 1925 lies in between the number 1921 to 1931. So it lies in between 1921 to 1931, which is the second half, that is second slat. So we have used backward difference formula, and now see the answer is 96 point something, which is lies between the number 93 to 101. So it is a suitable answer, which is interpolating answer lies between 93 to 101. So our answer may be the correct answer. You can verify the answer likewise. Okay. So problem is over. I think you have understood the concept. Thank you. We will see another problem in the next video. Okay. Thank you, students.